Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Solana from your Arculus wallet to Kraken for trading or storage. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. First things first, make sure you have both your Arculus wallet and a Kraken account set up. You'll need to verify your identity on Kraken if you haven't already, as exchanges have strict KYC rules these days. Okay, let's get started. Open your Arculus wallet app on your phone or desktop. If you're using the mobile version, it's super user-friendly. Just log in with your credentials or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Solana asset from your list of holdings. This should show you your current balance and give you options for transactions. Next, head over to your Kraken account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's case-sensitive and unique to your account. Now, switch back to your Arculus wallet. In the Solana section, look for the Send or Transfer button. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, make sure it's less than your available balance and consider any network fees. Arculus might prompt you to confirm the transaction details, so review everything one last time. Hit Send, and you'll see a confirmation screen. The transfer should process quickly on the Solana blockchain, usually in a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Kraken and check your account balance to confirm the Solana has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, just to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so keep an eye on the market. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.